I had the privilege of meeting Michelle Prince for the first time in August of this year. And Michelle is such a woman of integrity and honor, and I'm so excited to know her. And we got the privilege of listening to her deliver a fantastic message just last week, and she is full of great stories. She's such a wonderful person that people can relate to because she's just like you, but she just made a decision to go out and change her life and go after her dreams, write her book, become a speaker. She took action, made the decision, and I'm so proud of her. Her presentation is unbelievable. It'll make you laugh, it'll make you cry, and you'll learn along the way. I'm just so proud of Michelle. Got a chance to know her, and as a coaching student of John's, she does what she's told to do. She takes action, and Michelle's amazing.
When I work with coaching clients, the number one problem that I see are internal blocks, right? These things that are holding them back, these obstacles that for some reason they know what they want, they have the passion, the desire, but something happens and it just stops them. It's kind of like this invisible boundary, right? And so what we do is we work with acknowledging what these are, and it takes time. We acknowledge them, and then that's how we start working towards overcoming them. Because again, we're a computer. If we think of it that way, it's just reprogramming. It's not as difficult as it sounds, but it takes commitment and it takes effort to do that. The thing is, when we start to acknowledge what's holding us back, then we replace them with truth. Because all these things that's holding us back, these beliefs that we have about ourselves, they're lies. Complete and total lies. We may think that they're truth because it's all we've ever known. But they're lies. I'm going to give you a really exaggerated example of this, but I want to do it to prove a point. When you were, let's just say you were a child born into a family, wonderful family, grandparents, aunts, uncles, but they all had the belief that the world was flat. Completely flat. In this day and age, they just, so here you are, a child, and your parents, they educate you from the time you can talk about everything. And they're telling you the world is flat, the world is flat. Your aunts, your uncles, your cousins, everybody believes the same thing. Then you get out to the world, the real world. And maybe you're at an office, your first job, and you bring up this truth because it's all you've known. And you say, oh, the world's flat. And people laugh at you like, are you crazy? Why would you think that the world is flat? The world's not flat. I mean, obviously we all know this. It's been proven. What's wrong with you? The same is true for whatever you're telling yourself. I'll never lose the weight. I'm not pretty enough. I don't have what it takes. I'll never have money. I'm always going to struggle. These things are not fact. They're based on things you have believed, but remember, your beliefs are not fact. Have you ever had somebody that you believe in so much and you look at them and you say, gosh, you are so talented, or you're gorgeous, or wow, you're awesome. And they don't believe it. They're like, oh, if you only knew. If you only knew the real me, But the fact is, they are talented and they have what it takes. And the only thing holding them back is they don't believe it.